guys, welcome to my channel. And now we just walking here. We're going to the train station. And here's RJ. Pupunta kami ng train station dahil kukunin namin aming old pick-up truck. It's too long to walk. It's far away here. Here we go. We're going there. Here's RJ. Here's RJ. What you get, RJ? What's that? Leaves. Ah, so cold. Are you cold, RJ? Have many cars there. Have a lot of cars. So noisy. Maglakad muna kami dito. What?
Glove fell out.
Uh-oh. Fill up my gloves. So cold. So much leaf. RJ, who is picking up the leaves? RJ, what you get, RJ? Yeah.
Make me fast.
Make you fast. Oh, okay, that's it. See you in train station. Make mess there. Look at the mess that you got, RJ.
New house. Like it?
Come here, RJ.
Still.
It's the creek there.
There's snow.
Water?
See the creek. See.
There's 100 water, Mama.
100 water.
Get over more.
Come here, RJ.
Get a wall.
Here in the wall. Some mini cars there, some bus.
Sun's hot.
Yeah. Jay.
Here.
Woo.
Here.
Push button for walk. There is. This is the traffic light. And there is the hands. Here's RJ. Okay, come here, RJ. Yeah. You cold, RJ? You cold? No?
I'm gonna run there where that you have to go to the same place where I go, right?
Here's RJ, it's a runner. See the tree, look like dying, but still alive.
One sign is on.
There he
One
is.
sign is on.
How many seconds? 2 seconds. 1 second. 0. Look at this, the farm here.
Yeah. What they grow there? Pumpkins?
Pumpkins, the squash, maybe onion there.
Up there they have the sleigh riding trail.
RJ! Yeah, it's so cool. Look at that, the snow, RJ. No, don't do that, RJ. And there is the mountain bird.
Yeah, I see it.
Whew, it's so cold. Ang lamig-lamig dito. Parang nandun ka sa refrigerator. Woohoo!
Let me check. You want water?
This time you take off the car.
How much the temperature today,
I
honey?
never checked. Did you? I don't think I have
not checked.
Wi-Fi on.
Maybe 30 degrees. I not know. I not check the temperature today. There is the train station. There is.
This doesn't say temperature, it says what time.
Okay, how much? 40? Wow, 43 degrees. The train station. That building is the train station there. So you have people there waiting for trains. Okay, bilis-bilisan ang ating paglakad dahil 10 minutes more. Train is come. Okay. Run, RJ, run. 10 minutes more. Yeah, there is.
You got that? The station?
Yeah, I got the
Oh,
train
you came
station.
that way?
Yep. There it is. Whew. What, RJ? Let's race.
You got 5
Hello.
minutes before the train arrives.
Ready, go.
Okay, let's race, RJ. Hello. Oh. Here's RJ is the winner. Almost there, RJ. We made it here. Only few minutes. Trains come. Hello, Daddy. There he is. Yeah.
Very special. Easy for 2.
What?
$20.
Oh, 20.
I eat it.
Thought it is special. What?
Remember your break.
Ticket.
Here comes mine. Just get on.
No Sunday service. Tomorrow.
Oh, it's coming from the other way.
Yeah. Not yet. There is. We made it here.